Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Add a custom thumbnail to your shorts. Now I know they say it can't be done. As you look on the screen, they'll always say, for now, you can't change the thumbnail to your short. But they don't tell you the whole story. Actually, you can. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And one of the ways you can do that is with TubeBuddy. Check them out with the link in the description, or just go to tubebuddy.com/StevonJBiz. That's free to get started as well. So you want to go behind the screens, check on any video that you want to add a custom thumbnail to. This is a short right here that I put one on. Click on that edit button and it's going to bring up a page right here. You'll notice they have a screenshot to get started with. And right up under that short, you'll see where it says TubeBuddy. Click on that icon right there where it says TubeBuddy Tools. You can add your title. You can add different things like that. It will allow you to add tags to it. But this is the main thing I want you to see. Once you finish adding your text and your tags, it's going to say next. Once you click that next button, it's going to say upload thumbnail. Nobody's talking about that. Nobody's talking about that. Upload your custom thumbnail just like that. Everybody say you can't upload a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short. Now you know how to do it. So click on that button right there where it says upload thumbnail. Once you click upload thumbnail, you can go pick out a custom thumbnail from your different files. I've got one here that I used on one of my videos. So you go ahead and click that. The thing to keep in mind is not going to apply right away. You have to go right back to your YouTube studio. Once you click apply to video, it'll take you right back to your YouTube studio behind the scenes. That's when the change will apply. Just like you see right here. Check this out. That's the thumbnail that they had, the screenshot. Once you click save, boom, it'll change to the custom thumbnail. Now you know how to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind when it comes to a custom thumbnail for your YouTube short. The first thing is that your thumbnails won't show on the short shelf. Any custom thumbnail that you upload won't show on the short shelf. They'll still choose whatever they want. YouTube has its own screenshots that they'll choose. And the second thing is that you can't go back and change it back to the screenshot that YouTube had originally. I haven't found a way to do that just yet. Let me know in the comments if you find a way to do that. I would like to know. So keep that in mind if you decide to use that custom thumbnail through TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy.com/StevonJBiz, or you could just go to TubeBuddy.com and they'll give you a start for free. You could upgrade anytime you want to. And what I found on my channel is uploading a custom thumbnail works best when YouTube, maybe YouTube might capture a screenshot that doesn't have titles on it, doesn't have subtext on it, or it's just not pleasing to you. That's one of the best times to upload your own custom thumbnail to your YouTube short. You can do that. So now you know how to do it. Just another power tactic to beat the YouTube Shorts algorithm and get your views up there. Take your shorts to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. Next Level Mindset. Maybe you're just getting started and you're just starting with short form content. Right now is the best time. YouTube is really showing a lot of love for shorts creators. As a matter of fact, on this video right here, in the first hour, I gained 9 subscribers, over 1,000 views, and a lot of people will tell you that your subscribers are not watching you. I've got proof that they are. As a matter of fact, check this video out right here, coming up on the screen, facts about your subscribers that YouTube don't talk about. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out, enjoy that. Gotta show some love for my subscribers and returning viewers. I appreciate you. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.